How to add weather widget in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a weather widget in Windows 11. So first things first, right click on your mouse and there tap on personalize and go to personalization and scroll down and tap on taskbar. So make sure you toggle on the widgets right here. And after you've toggled it on, go to the option here, tap on it, and then here you can see widgets there. Where the widget is right there, you can just tap on the three dots and then tap on pin widget. And there you go, your weather widget has been added on your Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.